Narrator, let's clean up your snaps. Here's how to delete any sticker in seconds. On-screen text, how to delete stickers on Snapchat. Narrator, Step 1, open Snapchat and snap a photo or video like you normally would. On-screen text label top left, Step 1, take a snap. Narrator, Step 2, add a sticker from the sticker icon, then place it anywhere on your snap. On-screen text label, Step 2, add sticker with a dual arrow pointing to the sticker icon. Narrator, changed your mind? Step 3, press and hold the sticker with one finger. On-screen text label near sticker, Step 3, press and hold. Narrator, Step 4, drag the sticker to the trash bin that appears at the bottom of the screen. On-screen text bottom, Step 4, drag to trash. Narrator, when you let go, the sticker disappears. Snap cleaned. On-screen text center, sticker deleted with a small checkmark doodle. Narrator, now for chats. Step 1, open the chat where you sent the sticker. On-screen text label top, chat stickers and under it smaller, Step 1, open chat. Narrator, Step 2, find the snap or message with the sticker you want to remove. On-screen text label, Step 2, find sticker with a doodle magnifying glass icon. Narrator, Step 3, press and hold on that snap or sticker. On-screen text near finger, press and hold. Narrator, then tap delete or remove when the menu pops up. On-screen text bottom, tap delete with a scribble arrow to the delete option. Narrator, if asked, confirm to delete. The sticker and the snap are gone from the chat. On-screen text center, sticker deleted from chat. Narrator, that's it. Press, drag, delete. Clean snaps, clean chats. On-screen text large, press drag delete and smaller, follow for more Snapchat tips.